A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say we are sinner though. And you know, say because we are sinner, we did forget punish. And you know, say God make a way so we not forget punish for we sin them. What a God. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, it's not too late. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss none of what I go on right yourself. Today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Romans, chapter 5, from verse 12 to verse 21. A one man caused sin for come into the world, and a man the sin caused him for dead. And same way it go with him, a same so it'll go with everybody. Everybody sin, so everybody will go dead. Before God did give it the law, people in the world did a sin. But the people them where did a sin before the law, God never will them sin against them. All of the people them where did a live in a Adam time, come straight back on Moses time. The whole of them did have to dead. Them did have to dead even though they never sin like how Adam did sin. Now, Jesus Christ, the one where did for come, Adam did come in a little bit like him. But the two of them did still different. Adam sin and all the way up in sake of that sin there, different from the gift where God did give it. What Adam did do, cause sin for come in the world, and sin cause enough people for dead. The gift where God gave, much, much bigger than that. And it reached enough more people. Even though we never deserve it, God sent Jesus for dead for we sin them, so that him could have put things right between we and him. May we say it again. The gift where God give it for free, different from what Adam sin because after Adam did sin and cause sin for come into the world, God judge everybody and say them forget punish for the wrong way them do. But now, after enough people sin, God show how he good and kind to people. When he give them, him give. Even though they never do nothing to deserve it, God take away their sin them so that they not forget punish. A true say, sake one man sin, everybody did have to dead. But you see what Jesus Christ did do? That much more powerful than what Adam did cause. Sake what Jesus do, God show we love, even though we never deserve it. God put things right between him and people, sake what Jesus did do. And everybody where God make things right with, I go rule with Jesus when they reach heaven. So, a one man sin make God judge people and say that them forget punished for them sin them. I see him so. A one man will always do it right. Him make God put things right with people and make them live forever and ever. So, cause one man never do what God say him for do, sin come in the world, and sake of that, everybody a sinner. I see him so. God make things right between him and people, cause one man did do what him tell him to do. No, God sent the law so that people would have known, so what them a do, a sin. But when people start to sin more and more, even though we never deserve it, God showed them love more and more. Him do that so that just like how everybody everywhere dead, sake of them sin, I see him so God love, even though we never deserve it, would have caused people to live forever. Sake of God love and sake of what Lord Jesus Christ do, God put things right between him and people and make them live forever and ever. God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.